lesson on animation with the whiteboard animation on renderforest. Okay, I'm sure you're wondering what the whiteboard animation is all about. It's like a tool that makes it easier for you to tell stories or to advertise something. It's quite easy to use and it's all about you, how creative you want to be with it and what you want to use it for. So let's begin. You can either download the renderforest app or you can go on your browser and type renderforest.com. Those are renderforest. If you're new to this, let's just go this way. Just on this. All right, this will take us to its general page. The first thing to do, let me follow again. Render forest. Okay. The first thing to do is to create something like an account to sign up. Okay, this is it. This is my own account to sign up with this. Okay. Now let's get started. There are so many things you could do with this. You could make a logo, mock up, whatever you want, but we're going to begin with whiteboard animation. The logo can come in later. Okay. There are so many things. There's a trendy explainer toolkit, the logo reveal, whatever it is. They're all this. It's like it's the same procedure, but you're going to meet the same end. So we're going to begin with the whiteboard animation toolkit. It's quite easy to use. There are two ways to go about this. The site is really friendly. You may just type in everything you want. Okay, you can be like, I'm going to the market, I saw a person, I said hello. It's going to give you pictures or templates that would display what you've written. Or you can start from scratch, and I like to start from scratch because you have the privilege of seeing different things. It's not just being given to you. You get to choose from different scenes. Okay, we can see there are different things here, but I don't want to use any of this, so I will just go with, I'll click on this so that I can get as many as I would like. I can say casual group characters. So if I don't want, okay, then I'll be like conversation with four friends, happy thing. Okay. Anyone you see this crown like thing, you have to subscribe to use them. So basically the only ones that are free here is the handshake between men. Okay. Alright, so let me see a group of four, and then let's come back here. Alright, so let's just work with these two for now. I'm going to insert these two. We see them, right? This is the first one, we're a group of four, and this is, alright, this is what it looks like. And my story is not complete here, so I'm just going to um add more scenes. Okay. What can I add? Handshaking animation, female male characters or patient. Okay, casual male characters. Let me try this. Okay, you can see all this. Yeah, you want to know this. Okay, let me go for family. Family. Okay. Okay, let me just say this story I want to write is about how a particular man's day went. Okay, so I'm going to say,